You'd never drive without a seatbelt, so why renovate without one? Almost 9 out of 10 construction projects run into unexpected trouble. Budget overruns, delays, or changes so big they erode profits and reputations. Life happens. Bankruptcies, illnesses, lawsuits, mischief, scams, or financial surprises. Even contractors you trust can face something beyond their control. And even with the most careful planning and thorough due diligence, anything can still happen. That's why Build Safe Escrow acts as your renovation seatbelt. Project funds are protected, expertly managed, and only released when work is done, giving property owners peace of mind. And contractors management support with guaranteed payments on time, every time. Look for the escrow-friendly contractor badge, the mark of honest, transparent professionals committed to building with trust. Learn more at buildsafeescrow.com.